Hi everyone, welcome back. After many classes of the theory, and we finally goes into practical. So first we will need to study what is candlestick. As our chart is made out of candlestick, so this is a candlestick chart, this is a real candlestick chart, this is month. So which we means by month chart, every single candle is 1 month. So this is week. So every single candle is week and daily. And you may customize and you may insert 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. I hide them because I only use this 3 times time. So you can see this is a 4 hour. So every 4 hour, this is the candle. Every 4 hour you have one. Every 1 hour we have 1 candle, and every 30 minutes. If you are a scalper, every 5 minutes. So each candle represents the time. So this is 1 minute. See that? Every 1 minute will update one single candlestick. So we'll call each of these candlesticks a candlestick chart. So since we are using this chart, it is very important that we have to specialize in those candlesticks. So from the very first class for the candlestick, I need to show you this is the real body of the candlestick. This is the bull and this is the bear. What do we mean by bull and bear? Bull, that means the price is going up. Bear, the price is going down. So this is the shadows of the candlestick. This is the shadow of the candlestick. So why we have this candlestick? So within those different periods, like this is the 1 month. So if I said this is 1 month, this is like 1st of October. 1st of October, the price is here. So within that month, the price going up, going down, going up, going down. The highest is here and the lowest is here. So this is the shadows. This is the close. So on the 31st of October, the price finally closes here. So you have the open of 1st of October. You have the closing 31st of October. And this is the price which in October going up and going down. So this is the shadow. So you have to read the candlestick in this way. So this is the bear, which is going down. So what we mean by bear, like for example, 1st of October, this is the open price and this is the closing price, 31st of October. Within this month, 1st to 31st October, the price ever reached this high and ever reached this low. So high and low. So this is the shadows. So if this is the week candlestick, the same Monday you are open here, Friday you close here, and you ever reach this high and ever reach this low, and you ever reach this high and never reach this low. So the color in black is the bear candle, which means that, for example, this is $3, this is $1. So when you open at $3 and close at $1, the body will become black. So if you open at $1 and you close at $3, this is going up. So the color will be white. So this is the bull candle and this is the bear candle. This is the very simple candlestick pattern that you need to understand so that you can use this information to plan your trade and do your analysis. And remember, this is only one candlestick. So in the chart, we have many candlesticks. So this is the open, this is the close. So this is 1 minute. That means the last minute, this is the price. Last minute, this is the price. And now this minute, this is the price. So that's why this is the color I have changed for myself, because this is I personalize my own chart. And here you can see that if this is a month, this is last month. So last month, the price is opened here. So we can say that this is October, September, August. So like August, 1st of August, the price is this one. end of 31st of August, the price is here. The price ever reached this high and ever reached this low. So the price, you have this ended up this very long wick pin candle. So candlestick have different size. It's not like what I draw here, the very standard, very pretty body. This is actually have different size. You can have long wick, you can have short wick, you can have body, you can have no body, you may have above long wick, bottom no wick. You can have only body, you can have no shadow below, you can have very small body. So candlestick is many different shape and different patterns. So you need to read and understand the background of the story. You have to know why the price printed up like this. You need to understand the background of the story. So before that, you need to know how to read a single candlestick for a beginner. After that, you will start to learn what is the reversal, candlestick continuation, candlestick, or even the single candlestick pattern, double candlestick pattern, triple candlestick pattern. This all will help you to do the chart analysis, and you will know when will be the reversal, when will be the continuation. So I'll see you in next class for the more detailed and more advanced in reading candlestick pattern for those single candlestick, reversal candlestick, or even continuation candlestick. See you next time.